She begins her nest with a platform of soft, fluffy fibres plucked from nearby plants. She's chosen a small tree branch that offers a bit of scaffolding to anchor her construction. Working in a circle, she uses her own small frame to shape the cup. Now she needs a special thread to tie it all together. It's made by another skillful architect, and fortunately, she can find it almost anywhere. Spider silk. As the nest grows around her, she works the inside of the bowl with her feet, compressing the resilient fibers into a thick wall. With her needlework and footwork almost done, she begins to shingle the outside wall with lichen, seeds, and moss. And suddenly, it's perfect. A finished little home for the tiny hummingbirds to come.